Welcome to our kitchen. We are going to be making banana smoothie. My dad is making it for my birthday. Let's get started.
So let's see what the ingredients are. We have a strawberry, we have banana, we have a yogurt, we have a milk, we have a honey, and we have ice. So we are going to make
And the blender.
So what we need to do is we need a blender. We need to take the ice, put it in the blender, little bit of ice. Then we need to put some honey. So we are going to put some honey. So let's put some honey, maybe like 1 or 2 teaspoon maybe. We are going to put 2 teaspoon. That's my measurement to make it, because we don't want to put sugar. Sugar is not good for health. So honey is good for health. So we don't need sugar. So now in that we are going to put a couple of spoon, maybe 5 spoon of yogurt, or maybe 3 spoon. So let's put 3 spoon of yogurt.
Okay.
Little bit more, maybe, because we are 3 people. So let's put that. Now we need at least 1 cup of milk. So let's see, 1 cup of
Milk.
So let's do 1 cup of milk in a measurement. I believe yes, that's good. But I think we are making only few.
And to be healthy, use organic milk.
And
Ding,
use
ding,
organic
ding.
because there's no pesticide in this milk.
Wow.
Yes, because the cows are fed grass. No pesticides. Where is the cover of my milk? Here.
Oh, really?
Okay. Now let's put some strawberry.
We're going to put like a lot.
We're going to put some strawberry. We are going to put some banana. 1 big size banana is enough for the smoothie. Yeah, we're not going to put that. We need those 2 for the decoration. That's why I put it aside. So you need to keep aside 2 of those decorations.
Decorations.
Yeah, so keep that aside so that we can put it for decorations. Now I need to wash my hands. Now
Let's put
the lid. And we should be good to blend it. Oh my god, it's not doing. Is my machine dry?
It's not
broken?
plugged.
Because it's not connected. Yeah. Make sure it connects. Oh my god, it's working.
I got the cuckoo head.
Now, let's mix it properly. We need to make sure everything is mixing properly. We need a spoon because my honey is sticking on the side. My honey is not getting mixed because my honey is on the side, on the ice, and I need to make sure my honey is mixing properly.
Oh, it's not just big.
As you can see, there's honey over
Yeah.
there.
My honey is stuck to the body of my mixer, and we need to make sure I get the honey properly. If my honey is sweet, then I get good honey.
My chandelier.
You know what do you mean by honey? Do you know what do you mean by honey?
Yeah, you're talking to your sweet.
Blend it properly so that it mixes good. Right?
Yeah.
Oh my god, my honey is mixing properly. Let's make sure we have. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. Yummy, yummy smoothie. Hi. So good. Now we pour it in a glass. Okay, 1 glass. I think we made it 4 glass.
Let me get one more glass.
Yeah, get me 1 more glass, please. Maybe you can take it to the school.
It's gonna get ruined, Daddy.
Yeah. This is no sugar added. This is natural.
Natural.
No, we made it only 3 glass, so which is good. It's a very good measurement of 3 glass. Just okay, make sure you don't cut your finger with the blades inside the blender. Be careful.
I bet everybody
when you
knows
watch
that.
my video, don't do the way I did it.
Make sure an adult is always with you while doing this.
Yes, make sure you have your dad or your mom to do this. No knife with kids. Now we have this thing, and now this is
Delicious.
strawberry banana smoothie. Delicious. Yay! Delicious. That's for birthday girl. Good. And that's for Ruchida Varma. And that's for the dad chef Varma.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Make sure to subscribe.
Wait for my next video for making paneer.